Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Hanson. If you're returning, welcome back. I haven't done a video in ages, but this is the first video I'm doing for the year. So me and Tom bought a house. What? Basically, I'm just going to do a house tour. So this house needs loads of work doing on it. This is why we bought it, because we've always just wanted a house that we can just do our thing for. So I'm going to show you the rough footage of what it looks like now. We moved in on the 20th of December. I'm filming this on January... I can't remember, let me check. So it's the 18th of January 2022 at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to give you a house tour. As I said, it is going to be messy. It needs loads of work doing on it. So this is what it looks like now, and I can't wait to do some videos. We have done up 2 rooms already, but I will put in the footage from what I filmed before we actually did it. So let's get on into it.
Hi, I'm doing a voiceover. So this is the doorway and this is our little porch area. I love this little mat. Enter the bat cave. And in here is where we keep our, what's it called? Freezer and tumble dryer. Can't remember the name. By the way, I'm doing a voiceover. I was getting over COVID and I was really out of breath. And now I'm even more out of breath. I've got tonsillitis and I feel like I'm never ever going to do this video. But anyway, this is as you come straight in. The walls in here aren't the best, to be honest with you. And that needs sorting out. But yeah, this is as you come in, and it's a kind of nice porch area. We can make it really lovely. Kind of want to put like a little mirror and a little shelf there, I think. I'm not too sure. Love a cute little plant, but we've just got all our little painting supplies ready to start. This definitely needs plastering. It's really bad. Really bad. But as I'm speaking to you now, it's actually like the 19th of March right now. This is going to be like a little cloakroom.
Maybe just like filling and sanding down. This needs to be boxed off. But yeah, this is like a really good space. I think we're gonna put like a little seat here and like some coat racks and stuff, but this will do for now. It's just a little storage for shoes and bags and that sort of thing. And then in here is Thomas's garage. He makes it very clear. So this is what it looks like. Again, it's used as a little storage thing at the moment. We've got loads of rubbish in here, but it's actually pretty big. We've got like loads of stuff to get rid of. We're trying to sell back to get rid of that. Like a little bit in here as well, but it's a lot of effort to push that to the side. But this is what the garage looks like now. He's got a polo that he needs to work on, so that will be his. This is his little space. But make sure I turn that off. But yeah, it's really nice in there. Keep this door shut because it's really cold out there. So yeah, this is kind of the bottom floor. This is a 3-storey. This is actually a 3-storey home. So 3-storey home, 3-storey house. So yeah, this is the bottom floor as you come in. And as I said, all of this just needs sorting. I can't wait to get it sorted. This is going up the stairs. As I said, all of this needs plastering. We've got like this nice thing here. But then in here, as you come up the stairs, is the living room. So this is what it looks like at the moment. It's pretty livable for now. We bought a nice fireplace. We've sort of just put it together. There's still loads to do in here. So yeah, it's just a little bit messy in here, but that's okay. We're going to take all this wallpaper off. It's going to look so good. We cannot wait. But this is livable for now. We bought these sofas. This one was 30 quid. The rest we actually got for free. So that'll do for now. And we got this lovely table. I'm doing a lot of exercising, so I've just put like all the little weights down here. We should actually open the curtains. This is into our garden. It's freezing out there, so I'm not going to be going out. But this is what it looks like. We've got like a nice little area here. And then up here, we've got some nice decking, which we'll put some lovely tables and chairs. And then this opens up into loads of fields, which is really lovely. But yeah, it's such a nice garden. There's a few things we want to do to it. We don't have to do loads, but it's pretty nice. Oh, the sun looks lovely this morning. But yeah, that's the living room. And then if we go into the hallway, that's where we're
doing a voiceover because I was really out of breath. Don't know what's going on. I think I had a really bad cold. Basically, this is the hallway. We just took some like stuff here for now. That was just, don't know where to put it. But this is through into the hallway. We've got our kitchen here, which is really lovely. Again, this is sort of like already... there's not a lot that we have to do on it basically, but this is a table with some chairs. We do want to change that eventually, but I love the window. It's massive, it's really lovely, lets loads of light through. And this is our kitchen. Again, there's still stuff we got to do. I still want to do some organising, things like that, but to be fair, like, I love the oven. Everything's just really nice in here. I like the whole black and white theme. Yeah, It's really lovely. And how cute are these? Me and my mum did these, just like little pots, and we just had a vinyl machine and just kind of put tea sugar and everything. And Redditch Mortgage Advice gave us this card, which was lovely. That's who we used. I really recommend them. They were amazing, just to help sort out everything, do our mortgage for us. And yeah, this is sort of like how big our kitchen is. I absolutely love it. Yeah, this is, I don't know, I can't remember what I was actually saying in this part of the video, but yeah, there's things I still want to change in here, but again, it's no rush. Like, it's lovely for now, and I do really like it, to be fair. The flooring's really lovely. Obviously, I just want to change like the chairs, but again, it's not like an expense that I want to pay out for right now, because it's not really needed. Yeah, through here then, we've got the downstairs bathroom. This is what it looks like. By the way, I've already done this up. I'm speaking to you now. It's like the 2nd of March, and it looks so different already. But this is what it looks like now as you're seeing it. We've got like the boiler here, obviously the toilet, a little sink. It does look really cute actually, but I can't wait for you to see what we've done to it. Yeah, so we just do want to... Actually, I'm not going to say, because then you'll know what we're going to be doing. Then if we come out of here, we go upstairs to the last floor. We have an issue with this wall. The plaster's blown in a lot of places. As you can see here, it's really bad. As speaking now, we have really got the wall plastered, but obviously in this moment we needed to get the wall plastered, and there was a lot of holes that needed filling, which already had been filled previously, but not very well. But if we go upstairs, we have like the upstairs like landing space. We do have still bits and bobs everywhere. I did write oh no on one of the holes. What am I showing? I can't remember now. Oh yeah, over here is the pipe, which we really want to be able to cover up. I think we're just going to like box it in with a little door just in case we need to get to it. But this is our bedroom. Let me insert the old clip here for when we first moved in. This is such an old clip. Like, the bedroom looks so different now, but this is what it looked like when we first saw it, before we've actually done it up already. We have this like wallpaper on the back. These chest of drawers obviously aren't ours, and the carpet he's doing, the wallpaper was horrendous to get off. I think there was like 3 or 4 layers of wallpaper, which we didn't know. But this room's really cute now, but I just wanted to do the proper house tour with the proper like visual when we actually moved in, because it just looks so much better now, but I want to be able to see the raw for you to see the raw footage of what it looked like first. But yeah, it just looks so much better now. And obviously, yeah, the wallpaper we thought would be easy to get off, but it totally was not. But yeah, I did forget to say this is actually the main bedroom, which overlooks into the garden, which is really lovely. Again, the garden's changed so much since then. But yeah, this is the main room. This is our bedroom, and it's actually a pretty good size. We have got this ceiling fan thing on the wall, on the ceiling, which is actually okay. But again, we've changed that now. But in a sense, I kind of wish we'd kept it, because it's like it's going to be hot in the summer. But yeah, let's move on. Okay, so this is the room next door, which is actually my sewing room. But again, this is what it looked like before. And again, I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Not all of this stuff's in here. It's actually ours when I was filming this. But most of it is, but not all of it. But this is what it looked like. A pretty plain room, pretty simple. It didn't take too much to actually do it up properly. Obviously, we had to put the door handle back on. But it's a good size for like my sewing room. This is what I'm calling it, my little sewing room. In here, we've got like a... it's like a, well, it's supposed to be an airing cupboard, I suppose, where it would be, but it's more like a storage room for like towels and bits and bobs. This is big enough to be a bedroom itself, to be fair. Well, can you squat in there?
Yeah.
Bearing in mind he's like nearly 6 foot.
Yeah,
okay, sorry, you are 6 foot. You get through.
I'll go to the gym there.
No, you don't.
You know.
Yeah, and that's, let me stand back. I just don't want to fall down the stairs. Oh, look at him in there.
This is my office.
See ya.
Shut the door then.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna get dark. He hates the dark. Are you okay?
Oh my god, do you know what I just thought about?
What?
I'm not going to say it in there in case you shut me again. You know in The Conjuring, where they're playing that clap game and she goes in the water and there's a match, and then those ghost hands come from behind and go...
Why would you say that? Don't.
I'm never going in there.
Let's not talk about that.
I don't want to be in this house without it.
Kind of similar everywhere. We have got a loft space as well, but I might just insert some photos of the loft because I have got to go to work. So this is the spare room. At the moment we're using it for a washroom / storage room. at the moment. So it's a bit of a state, but honestly this is what happens when you move into a house. Like, what do you do? This is, hey, so this is my wardrobe. I just have obviously all my clothes in it. There's literally, it's full. But I love my wardrobe, it's so good. But again, we're gonna strip all this wallpaper off all these walls, Tom's little wardrobe, and obviously this is gonna be a spare room, but for now we're just using it as storage and washing. But it's a pretty decent sized bedroom actually, but I just can't wait to get started on it and change this carpet to the grey carpet, because we love the grey carpet. I don't know if we're going to keep this or not. We did have one in our bedroom, but we did take it off, so I'm not sure. We might keep it in, just because it's pretty handy in the summer. But yeah, so this is the spare room. And then, oh, just tripped. Lastly,
I keep having to do voiceovers because every time I'm ill, and now I've got tonsillitis, so you know what, I'm never going to not stand out of breath, am I? But this is the bathroom. We have, again, done it up since I filmed this. But yeah, it's actually a pretty good size. This needs a tidy well, it doesn't, because it's tidy now. But anyway, it's quite nice. There's loads of storage, and obviously I don't know if anyone else does this, but when I got loads of like shower gel and stuff for Christmas, I just saved it till I moved out, and now it actually helps because it means I don't have to buy as many. But yeah, it's a pretty good size, to be honest. We have done a really nice vinyl on the top to actually get rid of that, because we didn't think we were. But it just looks so much better, because yeah, this was an issue, very big issue. But I'm pretty happy with this bathroom. I feel like all I've said in this video is, oh, this is like an old clip. I did film this in January, and now it's the 19th of March, and I'm eventually finishing the voiceover. And yeah, look at that at the bottom. We need to reseal it and stuff, because it's a bit grim, a little bit grim. But it's an updoer, so you know, we'll get there slowly, and it just looks so much better already.
But yeah, that's literally our house tour. I can't seem to find a lot of house tours that aren't new builds or haven't got to do loads of work on. So I thought if I just do my own, at least everyone knows that there's not always a new build. Like, you don't always have to buy a new build. But yeah, it's going to be a lot of work, but we're in no rush. We're just going to get it done, get loads of carpet on the floor, because it does get cold. But yeah. What else is there to say? I don't know. I do really like this as well, but we're going to glass that. But yeah, this is our house, our first ever house, and I'm really pleased. I'm so proud of us for actually doing it. It's been a long time in the works, in a sense. But I'll definitely recommend our mortgage advisors. I'll pop them in the link below. If you want to do a proper video in who we use, how the actual process went, then do let me know, and I'll make a video about that, because our solicitors wasn't the best. If people know me, they know that I have ranted so many times about that, but everything else went pretty smoothly. It was just a bit of a long wait really, but we managed to do it in the end. But yeah, I look forward to doing some more videos. I'm going to be putting a video up of when we actually did our bedroom, because obviously we've done that now. We've not quite finished it. There's still obviously stuff to do, but we've done the majority of it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my house tour. Sadly, Tom isn't here. He's at work. I'm literally leaving for work in about 20 minutes. So yeah, thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to doing some more videos on the house. See you soon. Bye.